Hi, this is 𝗥𝗲𝗰 𝗨𝘀, CEO and founder of ResQ TRX. I would like to share a short story about how it all began. About 10 years ago, we started our trucking company with a single truck. Back then, we used to do car hauling. We got a few short-term contracts after that and did load board for quite some time and started increasing our fleet. We went from one truck to about 6 or 7 trucks. This then initially gave me the exposure and experience that I needed. Now, during this time when we were building our company and scaling up, we realized that there were a few issues within the industry. First one, finding drivers. Now, that's more of a macroeconomical issue where there is already a shortage of drivers. The second one, the biggest one that we had the challenge while scaling, was finding repairs when our trucks broke down, where we didn't have the coverage or we couldn't send our local or our own mechanic to go fix it. New drivers come into the industry. They are now not as experienced as the older drivers that already know about the engines, and they can diagnose and they can actually figure out what's wrong with the truck. Now, there is not a single repair shop that covers all of the United States, everywhere, every small town. But you know what does? All the small repair shops combine together. Our core business is to make sure when a trucker is in need and stuck in the middle of nowhere, they find somebody that can help them out. The industry is going through a lot of changes, adding new regulations, automations, and what we aspire to do is actually help our small business owners, especially the truckers and the mechanics and mechanic shops, to take advantage of this revolution and not actually be a victim of it.